there are some drawbacks that we need to discuss because, nothing's perfect, okay? For one, yes, there are going to be a lot of free solutions for reference management software. However, some of the most popular ones, as we'll explore, do cost. And so your institution might have a license for it. Your institution might foot the bill. Your institution might not foot the bill. And so you'll be stuck with the free ones that may not have the same capabilities or the capabilities or functionality that you need for your research. So there can be potential cost. And second, there is a pretty significant learning curve to reference management software. In fact, one of the sources that you'll find in the course materials, Barry et al., found that 75% of reference management software users needed some sort of external help in order to use it. Hence, that's where we come in. We are in this module going to walk through two of the most popular and most widely used reference management software packages to help get you over that hurdle. Once you get used to it, once you understand the learning curve, once you understand the mechanics, this will, in the end, be a net benefit for your research, but it does take some getting used to. There might be you'll encounter some incompatibilities. Maybe the package isn't able to generate the bibliography style that you need. Maybe it doesn't integrate well with your word processor. Maybe you're using Microsoft Word and the tool doesn't work right on your version. Maybe you're writing in LaTeX or something and you can't get the BibTeX file to work correctly. Or maybe you're using something like OpenOffice or LibreOffice or an online like Google Docs, and it's just you can't integrate to get the citations. Maybe there are issues between the software itself and your computer. Maybe it doesn't run well. Maybe it's not working right. So there are going to be all the usual software issues that you might encounter. Again, it's not a substitute. I've been talking about how easy it is to use, and they are easy to implement to generate bibliographies. But in the end, it is not a substitute for actually understanding your references. These software packages are not going to read the journal articles for you. They are not going to pick out the essential elements for you. They are not going to sort them and tag them automatically for you. Who knows, maybe in 10 years, there'll be some like AI machine learning algorithm that will, but that's not where we are right now. So you can't use these tools as a substitute for actually reading and understanding and incorporating in an intelligent manner your references. The tool isn't going to do that for you. This is garbage in, garbage out. If you don't pay attention to your references, if you don't really learn from them, if you don't really use them intelligently, then what will come out in your document is just going to be a reflection of that. And they can fail. They can mess up bibliographies. They can make mistakes. They can find a reference and pull the wrong information, and then the bibliography looks correct, but it's wrong. There can be a software update that breaks something that messes up how the citations go into your document. They can mess up, so you do have to be vigilant. These are software packages, and especially the free ones really are just free. And free in the sense of cost and free in the sense of open software. So don't expect perfection with these. And unfortunately, almost all of them focus on English language journals. Very, very few of them are able to incorporate translations or to work with foreign language journals or non-English language journals. Mostly because the software was mostly written in English-speaking countries and targeted towards English-speaking researchers. So if English is not your first language, the software is typically written in English, intended for English language journals. They can work, and we will certainly discuss some options available for translation, but just be aware that this is not going to be a primary feature of these software packages.